The Bigme Hibreak smartphone brings an innovative twist to the mobile market with its use of an e-ink display. If you are a fan of e-readers, this phone might catch your interest, as it leverages e-ink technology to deliver a unique, eye-friendly experience. The 5.8-inch e-ink screen is perfect for reading, offering exceptional clarity in all lighting conditions. Whether you are reading a book, browsing the web, or sending text, the screen reduces strain on your eyes, especially in low light settings. Powered by Android 11 OS, the Hibreak is surprisingly powerful for an e-ink device. It supports 5G connectivity, making it ideal for users who need fast mobile data. Multitasking is smooth with its 6 GB of RAM, and the 128 GB space ensures enough of space for apps, media and documents, which you can add another 1 TB micro SD card. On the downside, the e-ink display is not ideal for gaming or watching videos, as it lacks color and smooth motion. You can watch videos and play games, but it's not that fast. But for those focused on reading and productivity, this is a solid compromise. Additionally, the build quality is sleek, lightweight, and has a premium feel. Overall, the Bigme Hibreak smartphone is great for users who prioritize reading and distraction-free experience. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I will see you in the next video.